Bird nests are typically simple structures made of twigs and leaves, serving the primary function of protecting eggs. However, some birds display remarkable architectural skills, utilizing diverse materials like shells, spiderwebs, saliva, and even plastic to create cozy homes for their young. Today, we'll explore 15 impressive bird nest structures. Stay tuned for the answer to our quiz: which bird is the ultimate interior designer? Let's dive in. Tailorbirds derive their name from their unique nest-building behavior. Instead of conventional methods, they sew leaves together using fine grass, spiderwebs, or plant fibers. The actual nest is constructed with soft materials, and it is typically nestled within thick foliage, making it difficult to spot. Tailorbirds tend to be shy creatures, often hiding within dense vegetation. They are predominantly found in Southeast Asia, with various subspecies distributed across Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, and beyond. The hammerkop, an African bird, constructs a massive roofed nest using 10,000 twigs over 8 weeks. Both male and female hammerkops contribute equally to nest building. Resembling a hammer, their crest gives them their name. Found mainly in Madagascar and Africa, they inhabit wetlands and riverbanks, preferring areas rich in prey. During breeding season, both parents incubate eggs in the elaborate nests they build, often constructing up to 4 nests annually, showcasing their year-round dedication. The ruby-throated hummingbird, typically solitary and antisocial, becomes more social during mating season, with courtship lasting only a few minutes. Unlike hammerkops, only females build and care for the nest, which is tiny and attached to a tree branch using spider silk. Made of tree bark, lead strands, and silk fibers, the nest is strong and stretchy, lined with insulation such as hair or feathers, and camouflaged with lichen. Found mainly in Central America and Mexico, they migrate to Canada and other northern parts of America during summer for breeding. The bald eagle, known as the national bird of the United States, boasts a wingspan of approximately 2.3 meters, with females being 25% larger than males. They construct the largest nests among North American birds, with the largest recorded nest measuring 4 meters in depth, 2.5 meters in width, and weighing 1 metric ton. These massive nests, made of twigs and sticks lined with leaves, provide safety for their offspring and are typically situated on high platforms like trees or cliffs for better visibility. Even while hunting, bald eagles keep a keen eye on their nests. Stay tuned to discover the most amazing bird's nest. The edible nest swiftlet, also known as the white nest swiftlet, is commonly found in Southeast Asia. Its nests, constructed from solidified bird saliva, are harvested extensively for the Chinese delicacy bird's nest soup, renowned for its health benefits. However, this has led to the species being under threat. To mitigate this, artificial birdhouses are used, but their loud mating calls and echolocation sounds pose challenges for nearby residents. The ovenbird gets its name from its nest, which resembles old cooking pots with lids. Constructed over 6 weeks using clay, both partners contribute to building this thick, round, and sturdy nest. Unlike most birds, the ovenbird thrives in urban areas and doesn't mind human presence. They even prefer using man-made items for nests, leaving their nests available for other species like the saffron finch to occupy permanently. The European bee-eater, despite its name, is also found in North Africa and West Asia, migrating to tropical Africa for winters. They nest colonially in sandy banks or river shores around May, excavating horizontal cavities using their bill and feet. The nests consist of long tunnels where birds lay about 5 to 8 eggs around June. Both males and females care for the eggs, and they feed and roost communally. While most males are monogamous, occasional bigamy during courtship has been observed. Males feed the females large items while consuming smaller ones themselves. The bioweaver, found in the Indian subcontinent, builds nest colonies in thorny trees or palm fronds, out of reach of predators. These nests are woven from grass strips, paddy leaves, and torn strips of palm fronds, constructed solely by the males. During courtship, males showcase the nests to females, who may approve and mate with them. Breeding during the monsoon, nests are strategically built on the eastern side of trees for protection from southwest monsoons. Pendulous in shape, the nests feature a central chamber and a vertical tube, often repurposed by mice or other birds after abandonment. The horned coot, with its black plumage and pale yellow bill, appears unremarkable from a distance. Yet, a closer look reveals a small black horn at the base of its bill. These birds are renowned for their extraordinary nests, constructed with mounds of stones topped by weeds resembling underwater volcano tips. These nests form islands of pebbles weighing about 1.5 tons, shielding them from water currents. Typically situated 40 meters from the shore, these massive nests are periodically refurbished by pairs of horned coots breeding in shallow waters, sometimes forming colonies of up to 80 pairs. Building these nests takes months, if not years, to complete. Little grebes are water birds with pointed bills and dark-colored necks. Their nests resemble floating platforms constructed from twigs and submerged aquatic vegetation. These nests are typically found in shallow waters surrounded by high vegetation, providing comfort and protection. Adults usually lay 4 to 7 eggs, covering the nest with weeds to conceal it from predators and maintain warmth. Once hatched, the young ones can swiftly begin swimming or be carried on the backs of adults. The African jacana, also known as the Jesus bird, gracefully navigates across water bodies with its exceptionally long toes that spread out to distribute its weight. They walk on floating vegetation, earning them the nickname lily trotter. While excellent swimmers, they construct fragile nests from floating vegetation, often doubling as mating platforms. Despite the elegance of their nests, they can sometimes sink while incubating eggs. Malleefowls, native to Australia, construct their nests in the ground, some reaching depths of 2 feet and circumferences of 150 feet. The males dig the hole and line it with sticks, leaves, and organic matter. After the female lays eggs, they cover them with a layer of sand for warmth. Despite this, malleefowls exhibit minimal parental care. Chicks struggle from birth, needing up to 15 hours to dig out of the mound. The ferruginous pygmy owl chooses to nest inside the saguaro cactus, often found in Arizona, southern Texas, Mexico, and parts of South America. These owls are commonly located in mesquite thickets and riverine desert woods. They don't carve out the nesting hole themselves but rely on existing spaces. Unfortunately, their nesting choice contributes to their endangered status, as saguaro cacti are susceptible to fires and habitat modifications due to human activities like dams, water diversions, and urban expansion. The sociable weaver, endemic to South Africa, nests in breeding groups, with a single compound nest housing over 100 breeding pairs. Their nests are remarkable, resembling giant haystacks attached to trees or poles. Constructed with multiple chambers, they retain heat during the night and provide shade during the day. Each chamber has entrances resembling a honeycomb, with sharp sticks to deter predators. Living in large groups ensures constant vigilance against danger. Before revealing our top pick for the most incredible bird's nest, we got an exciting challenge for you that'll only take 5 seconds. Subscribe to the video and hit the bell icon now, ensuring you never miss an upload. Plus, you'll unlock the magic of learning a new musical instrument. Give it a try, it really works. The bowerbird is undoubtedly the interior designer of the avian world. males meticulously decorate their nests with colorful rocks, leaves, shells, feathers, berries, and even shiny man-made items like coins and rifle shells. They invest significant time in perfecting their nests before showcasing them to potential mates. Females equally invest time inspecting and appraising these elaborate nests. If the nest meets her standards, she'll choose to mate with the male. However, males whose nests are rejected likely retreat, leaving their nests vulnerable to squatters like beetles and snakes. And that wraps up our exploration of the 15 most amazing bird nests in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and explore more content like this on the Wilderness Animals channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.